Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have some special TWS earbuds to show you all. The limited edition earbuds specially designed by Bohemia. If you guys don't know, Bohemia is a quite popular rapper. So Procus has collaborated with Bohemia and designed this special audio product. And in this video, we're gonna unbox and check them out. Along with the product, the company has also sent me a note that says, "Hey Vimal, follow the path of music and success with Procus." That is such a lovely note, thank you Procus. Alright then, let me keep that aside and get started with the video. The Procus Bohemia come in this sort of box packing. We've got the Procus branding at the top and a picture of Bohemia with his autograph on the front. These are truly wireless Bluetooth 5.0 stereo earbuds. Let's check out the features of this product. They support Bluetooth V5.0, offer 60 hours of music playtime, and are also IPX5 rated sweat and water resistant. So those were some of its highlights. That's it, nothing much is written on the box. Let's open it and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. There we go. So on opening it, we've got a piece of paper at the top and a special story behind Bohemia's success. If you guys are interested, you can just pause the video and read that. And on the right side, we've got the Bohemia TWS earbuds nicely packed in the box. I guess this is a charging case of the earbuds. Wow, I love the finishing on the product. It's got a beautiful matte black finishing. We'll check out the case in a moment. Let me also take the earbuds out. So here they are, the Bohemia TWS from Procus. This is how they look like. They've got a similar matte black design just like the case, and if you can observe, the right earbud has Bohemia's autograph on top of it. That is so cool, right? Before we talk about them in detail, let's see what else do we get in the box packing. You get a packet of extra ear tips in different sizes, a special Procus Bohemia sticker, and some paperwork which includes a user manual and a warranty card. Just make sure to read them. So these were all the items you got in the package. Now let's start with the case. This is the Procus Bohemia charging case. It's got a beautiful matte black finishing with the Procus and Bohemia branding on the top. I like the build quality. The body has a soft touch feel and is made of high quality plastic. I do have to mention the case looks a bit bulky and also big in size, but there's a reason for that. The case also doubles up as a power bank to charge your other devices. Awesome feature, right? Let me open the lid and show you the inside. This is where you need to place the earbuds, and over here also has a battery level indicators on the bottom. Let's see what else do we have on the case. On the right side, there's a rubber flap under which we've got a regular USB port for charging other devices and a micro USB port for charging the case. And going to the bottom side, the case comes with a built-in micro USB cable. That is very handy. You can take it out like this whenever needed and safely store the cable back in its place. The company utilized this big box in a pretty good way. So that was about the case, guys. Now let's check out the earbuds. The Procus Bohemia TWS come only in one color and have an ear hook design. The ear hooks on it are non-removable, but on the contrary, they offer a better grip compared to the others. Even these have a soft touch matte finishing, the Procus and Bohemia logos on the earbuds, and feel very lightweight in the hand. Each of them weigh only around 8 grams. The build quality is decent, they're made of plastic and have a single multi-function button at the top. And beside that, a tiny status LED indicator. Going to the other side, we've got the left and right indicators, charging contacts, and the quality of the ear tips is also good. Feel soft and durable. Well, that's it guys, that was our overview on these earbuds. Now let me power them on, pair them with my phone, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Procus Bohemia TWS earbuds are lightweight and feel quite comfortable to wear for long time usage. The ear hooks offer a good grip and prevent them from falling off during workouts. They're IPX5 rated water and sweat resistant, and the noise isolation is also decent. Talking about the sound, the audio quality was very nice for the price. The Bohemia have 8mm drivers on board and were doing a good job. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded warm, and the audio clarity was really nice. I could hear all the details in the music. The high frequency response was good, it was producing smooth treble without much harshness. And coming to the bass was also nice. I would say it was not that punchy, just had the right amount of bass to keep everything in balance. On the overall, I was quite impressed by the sound for that price point. The distortion was also minimum up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. Alright then, now let me tell you about the battery life. Each of these earbuds come with a 50 mAh built-in battery, and on an average at 75% volume level, they were offering around 4.5 to 5 hours of battery life. But don't forget, the case also comes with a huge 1800 mAh battery and offer a total combined battery life of around 60 plus hours. Well, that was my review on the Procus Bohemia. They're very good sounding TWS earbuds. The build quality is nice, they're comfortable to wear, audio quality is great, IPX5 rated water resistant, and the case also doubles up as a power bank. The only thing I felt was they're a bit expensive earbuds, right? It would have been nice if they had some extra features like touch controls. Rest everything else was fine. They cost around 4,799 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.